Hi everybody and welcome back to our fourth part on how to use WebDigAIRange. This time we're going to learn from Alex how to record voiceovers.
As a next step, I want to do a recording inside my story. For this, I will also go into the content pool and get my empty placeholder element, which I can record on. Get it over, as we've learned before. Put it into my story at the desired position. And you will see, because it's a placeholder, it already has a record button. If it didn't, I probably wouldn't have been in the StoryBox mode already. So if I go out of the story mode, you don't see a record button. If you go in the StoryBox mode, the record button appears. Now it's very easy to record your voice by just clicking on the record button. If I didn't give an allowance to use my microphone yet before, then I would have been asked now, but I've done that before. So I'm immediately recording my voice and things I'm telling you right now. Once I'm done, I just press stop. I can listen to my recording again with this button, record button. If I didn't give so now I can decide if I liked my recording, and I think it was pretty good. So I will choose the upload button to upload my recording to the server. After the upload, in the background, the broadcast utility server will create a waveform file and a pre-listen file. And as soon as it's available, we will see it appear in here.
Okay, thanks Alex. In the next part we'll be covering editing markers. And don't forget, David Systems, listening in action.